I think my clutch lever just broke. What's up guys, it's Stickers, back with another video. Right now we are on our way to another meet, having a little fun with some supercars. We got us an R8 in front of us, a 720, looks like a 675, a 4, a few others. We're having a little bit of fun. Yeah, we got a GT3 M4. Oh no, that's a 570, I think. Like I said, there's a 720 behind us. Banging. Ah, neutral. Oh, struggling. That was close. This looks like a much better meat than the one earlier. Alright, let's take this off. And then we'll start walking around, take a look. So Josh tried to kill you or what? Yeah. Looks better than the other meat though. Yeah. Yeah, I was mad when they cut over and wanted to take the street. I wanted to stay on the freeway. No. There's a little sketch on the street.
That's some good rollers.
Oh, that's cold. Well, all of us like that? What iPhone is this?
15 Pro.
Okay. I was like, it looks good for being low light, like, which... Yeah. We got a Trackhawk, a Ferrari, Huracan, 720 with a clean body kit, it looks like. Premieres here, we saw them earlier at the last meet. Ooh, Urus. I like the color. Oh no, I thought it was satin. This, what is it, the Technica? Exotic Car Factory. This dude looks like he's 17. The Aventador will underglow, that's crazy. Why'd you cut over and not stay on the freeway? I thought we were taking the long way on the freeway. Why not? Oh, fuck all that. I wanted to stay on the freeway because then it was fucking sketch with everybody and no freeway. On the car, nah. On the freeway, we could mob a little better, but on the street.
Come on, bro. That makes me miss my car.
Oh, I bet.
My own car, bro.
Yeah, you got to get the AMG back?
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
What else we got? Camo wrapped Corvette. Oh, we got some bikes over here. ZX10 with pink lights. R1. Beamer with some lights. I wonder if that's... Oh, is a CTS-V? Ooh, we got a V out here. Beamer, nothing too crazy. Some more bikes pulling in. Susie made it in her pink bike. R6. I wonder if it's that Z06. Yeah, it sounded like it. Yeah, that's that Z06. Another Aventador. Yeah, this is definitely a better meet than the one you guys saw last week or the one I went to before this 20 minutes ago. Oh, dang, that car hot. It's running warm. Infiniti, I want a Q60. R8. Our boy. Ferrari, McLarens. Yeah, much better. Instead of a lineup of Hondas, we got Supercar lineup now. It's a silver. It's not an S? Nope, it's not an S. Alright, we're gonna go back to the back. Kick it with K. What's poppin', bro? How you doing?
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a minute since that Irvine meet. That one, yeah, with all the crazy supercars. Yeah, I don't go to many night meets anymore. I feel like that's where most of the time you'll be kicking it. But yeah, nah, just.
We have to, because I mean, this is us now. We took over the building and then transport.
Oh, okay.
So transporting the cars now for us and everybody else.
Some clients, cool. But I'll be back. I'm gonna keep filming. You too. Ooh, somebody smell like that. Ganja. There's one other dude in the helmet. Oh, all the way over there. And he has a nice body kit. Okay, the body kit's nice. Is that the stock height wing or is it? Is that probably some crypto meme coin guy? He looks young. Okay, he had a couple meme coins blow up and made $1 million. Bought an SV.
I would do the same. I would do the same.
All right, guys. Try to tip off quickly. So we are on the road now. On our way back to K's. The R8 is with us. We're gonna go drop the bike off and grab some food. So that's the route for this. Had a lot of fun tonight. It was a mid-first meet. I think my clutch lever just broke. My clutch lever just broke.
It broke?
Yeah, my clutch lever just broke. It's gone.
Yeah, the quick shifter. Yeah, but the bolt was just here. When I looked down, it was there, but when I kept rolling, it fell.
You think third, or should I click it into? Should I stay third? You think third's good? Because I can.
If you can take off in third,
Yeah,
you're gonna be stuck at like 60 in second.
that's fine.
Just really high RPM.
Well, yeah, because I think fourth would be hard to leave in.
Be at 80 and like
Yeah.
fine. I would just stay at third. It gives you enough flexibility.
Which I'll probably back up the bike.
I mean, you should be good. All you do is push.
Well, no, because this is the wrong way. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll go here and then let me. Thank you for coming back.
I'll be good.
No, I think so. I think I'm good. I'm just gonna find the best way to get home. Yeah, I got you. Thank you. Will do. Well, this was an emotion. My God. Caliper, or not caliper. What's it called? Quick shifter nut came loose. Luckily, I was able to find it on the floor, right around the corner, and there's just enough. We found some wire on the floor, so I'll show you guys better when I get to the house. But we got some janky thing to be able to make it home. Well, this is going to be a fun adventure. Alright, well, we'll continue, I guess, now. That was wild. I'm glad I was able to find the bolt. I guess sadly the quick shifter bolt came unscrewed, which I don't really know how that happened, but luckily this thing got some fork and some really long gears, so I was stuck in third. And third is enough to be able to get home, which is really nice. So we're just gonna cruise home now and go from there. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.